All right, guys, this is not a typical review that I would do, so you're not going to get the full intro and all the stuff like you usually do. You're going to get some of it, but not like the merch store and stuff. So I got an email, and I was contacted by a company representative from the company, Samyoung. They asked me if I would like to do a review of an item that they sell on Amazon. And they said, we'll provide you the item, just give us some feedback if you like it. And what it is it's a cervical pillow. So we're going to do the intro, but not the like full, merch store and stuff like that. This is for them. This is a review of this. I'm skeptical a lot of times when I get these offers, but they were really cool about it. So before we go any further, if you're watching on headphones, turn down the volume because here comes a little bit of music. So like I said, this is a pillow that they sent me, and it's a neck pillow. It's like, the cervical pillows, like, oh, your neck is cramped and stuff. And I've tried a bunch. And this is why I was kind of interested in doing this video and getting it in to see, because it looked so much different than any of the ones I've ever seen. So a lot of those neck pillows are not really good for guys like me that sleep on my side. And I have a CPAP mask that I sleep with, and already it's uncomfortable. It's an uncomfortable proposition to sleep because I do have sleep apnea. And I do wake up and I'm all cramped and tense, and I roll and I toss and I turn in my sleep. So they sent me this pillow, and I opened it up, and here I'll flip this around. I'll show you the box it came in. So this is the box it came in, and it tells you, this is the type of pillow, and it is a memory foam pillow. So it's got all the specifications and stuff like that. And when they sent it to me, they sent it and it came with some instructions that said you had to open it and then let it air out for like 48 hours and allow it to completely expand, because this great big pillow fit in that small little box right there. So when it came in, I saw the box and I was like, there's no way that that's going to be a comfortable pillow. So I will tell you there's a couple things I don't like about this pillow. There's one thing I don't like about the pillow, and that's it, really. Now, there are two. But so this pillow is a unique shape. As you can see here, this unique shape that you have. Well, one of the things about this pillow is when you lay down, you've got a spot for your arm. Your arm sits up in this groove. So you can lay on your side and you're comfortable. It is a very, very comfortable pillow. I am not going to lie to you. I was afraid that this was, when it came and I saw the picture and I'm like, it looks tiny because I saw the box. I was afraid that this is going to be another one of those little tiny neck pillows that I was going to just throw away because I've never had one that was comfortable. And I honestly can tell you, I let this thing sit for 2 days to expand, and it smelled horrible. I'm not gonna lie, it smelled horrible when I first opened it. First night I slept on it, it didn't smell anything. It aired out the air, it changed the air in it. It didn't smell chemically or like plastic or anything. But that unique shape, I slept better on this pillow than I have in a very, very long time. And so I was like, okay, maybe it's just because it's a brand new pillow, and let me give it a few days. So I've been sleeping on this for like a week and a half now. Probably the most comfortable pillow I've ever used. There are two things that I don't like about it. It comes with this zip-on quilted pillowcase. Now, I don't have a pillowcase that it fits in properly, that it's comfortable in. So you have this. I'm not such a big fan of this. It's still comfortable, but I have a beard and I can already see that it's starting to nap up and get some of the little bumps and things. I got to find a pillowcase for it. Now, you can unzip this and wash it and things like that. But just the fact that I have a beard, it wears on that. And I do toss and turn in my sleep, but it is super comfortable. The only other thing I don't like about it is how wide it is. When I get comfortable on this, this is kind of pushed up against the headboard and it can bump up against, but it is memory foam. And I was afraid that this would crush down, like it wouldn't support. The thing is, when you lay down, your shoulders and back are up in here. So it supports that. So you have this big beefy area here. This is the only one of these pillows I've ever seen that is like that. So when you sleep on your side with it, it's not in a way and you're comfortable. But the flip side of that is if you sleep on your stomach, you sleep on it this way. You know what I'm saying? Like you sleep with this being at your neck and you sleep with it flipped. You sleep on your back, you use this side of it. It comes with a set of instructions how you would sleep with it. Honestly, guys, it has nothing to do with the fact that they sent it to me as, hey, we'll send it to you, you do the review. Even if they had not done this, this would get a stellar review. I have slept better on this pillow than I've slept in years. I wake up, my neck isn't all tight, my shoulders don't hurt. I can get into a comfortable position, I can stay there. I honestly don't remember waking up at all last night. So to Jesse L over at Samyoung, this is a very, very good pillow. And it's unique. I've never seen one that was like this. This is kind of a game changer for me. This whole area where you can put your arm in it and like get comfortable on it and stuff like that on your side. Like that, it's so comfortable. So like I said, I was afraid that, memory foam can be soft and I was afraid it would crush down. I'm like, oh, whatever. I've tried other neck pillows, but honestly, guys, I'm going to send them an email for this. Whether you try it and like it or not, I don't honestly care. I'm going to get another one of these for my wife because she keeps trying to steal it. I am going to purchase another one of these pillows. They are really, really good. I can't, I told them when they told me that they wanted me to review it, if I don't like the product, I'm not going to give it a review. I'm not going to bring you guys something just because they sent me something. If I don't like the product, I was going to send it back. They are a little bit expensive. I think they are $39.99 on Amazon. I don't remember. They sent me a voucher to use on Amazon. Actually, they PayPal'd me. I think with shipping and everything and all this stuff, I think it wound up being like $45 or something. They're not cheap. They are a pricey pillow, but they are super comfortable. So let me read, let me get done with that. We're done with that part. Let me go ahead. And I'm sorry that guys, I'm doing this way. I'm using the front facing, but I don't want to get my tripod out. So it is a memory foam mattress. It is a pressure slow rebound memory foam offering neck relaxation, thus comfortable sleep. And it really does. Ergonomic neck. Oh, hey, hang on. There we go. We can do a read along. So ergonomic neck curve design, hence support different sleeping positions. And I will have to say that I have had no problems getting into a comfortable position with this, which I have had a lot of problems. I tried that rectangular one, that cube one that they say, oh, if you sleep on your side, you need a square pillow. No, you don't. They do not work. Removable and washable pillowcase. You can't wash the pillow. You can wash the pillowcase. Supports maximum circulation, therefore remain freely dry at all times. And that's another thing I was going to say. Hang on, I'll flip this back. I've had memory foam pillows before, and they're hot. Like they sleep hot. You're like, God, I just want to. I want to keep it cool. This pillow is not hot. Like you know how when your pillow gets hot, it sucks. I'm in a humid area down here close to the border in San Diego, and it has not given me any issues. Really, really good all-around product. I'm really, really happy with my decision to go ahead and allow them to send me this product or allow them to send me the money to purchase it on Amazon through their store. So it's the Samyoung cervical pillow. I'm going to put up link to it on Amazon in the description below. It's really, really, by far, the most comfortable pillow I've had. I think it's probably the most comfortable pillow I've ever had. And like, I don't want to say that like, oh, well, I have to give it a good review. I don't have to give it a good review. The fact is, it is really, really great to sleep on. So I will do, if things change, if it starts to break down and things, I'll give you guys a review. Like I said, I've used it for like a week. So it's just one of those things like I don't do these very often where I talk about gear that's outside of like the knife content or EDC stuff. But this is definitely something that I think is a really good item. And like surprisingly, when you look at the size of the box compared to the size of the actual overall pillow, it's a big pillow. It's at least a queen size pillow. So, you know, my wife keeps stealing it, so I think I'm gonna have to get her another one. Guys, that's all I had for this. This was just a quick review of an item that was sent to me. I have another item that may be coming in for review that's kind of off the typical take, kind of the different kind of things. It's a watch from a company that asked me if I wanted to be a brand sponsor, and I told them I wanted to see the products first. I don't want to just same as this. I don't want to just throw out there and put an affiliate link down below if it's not a product I can back. But these are new things that are coming to the channel. It happens with growth and things like that. These opportunities arise. Like, we know that we have affiliate links and stuff down below. So expect to see some more of this content sprinkled in. So, like, you know, we got the Olight affiliate link. I've done videos about the Olights and Survival Frogs, the hand warmers. So those are all things, like, I have affiliate links with both of those. So check out all of my affiliate links down below. Guys, I love you all. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, we have 2 new paying members to the channel. Please welcome Snuz Nuz and Aiden Miguel. They are both top tier paying members for the channel. So thanks, guys. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.